Our service technicians are second to none. Every one of them is not only chosen for their abilities, but also their communication skills, because they're the leader, they're the ones that are at the forefront with the client.
When we support our customers, we try to keep in mind that they have their boat to enjoy and have fun with. Maybe they don't want to know about every minutiae piece of work that's been done, but they want to know that it's been taken care of by the factory technician, our trained technicians, and we try to make it, again, as trouble-free as we can for them.
You know, one of the biggest benefits with MarineMax, us being the largest U.S. retailer for recreational yachts, is that all our stores work together. So if we have a boat that travels between certain areas, we can help facilitate repairs, you know, up and down the coast.
I think MarineMax makes the new boat buying experience different in that we have such a broad service network that we can cover the boat wherever it goes. We have a lot of resources as far as vendors, and we have a lot of mobile technicians.
Mobile service is everything to us and to our customers. It's a great convenience for them that we can dispatch and put one of our trained technicians in a van and have them at their home, whether they're down in Dade County, they're up in the Jupiter area, or in the Bahamas. It doesn't matter where they are. We follow the boat, we follow the customer to take care of everything for them.